Dobot has become one of the most recognisable names in educational and research robotics, known for creating platforms that make hands-on learning genuinely accessible. Their systems are used in universities around the world, helping students and researchers move quickly from theory into real physical experimentation. At the centre of that ecosystem is the X-Trainer, a compact open robotics platform built for teaching and early-stage research. It lets students move from writing code to running real robot behaviour in minutes, and it slots naturally into modern AI workflows through Python, ROS2 and its fully open development environment. It's also a strong fit for research teams working in areas like robotic manipulation, embodied AI and human-centred robotics. The openness of the system allows rapid prototyping, quick testing and easy integration of new sensing or control methods. For academics, the X-Trainer provides a platform that can evolve with their work as robotics moves towards more intelligent, adaptive systems. Its flexibility means researchers can explore new directions without needing to rebuild their entire setup. Here you can see it in use at Imperial College London within the Dyson School of Design Engineering. The X-Trainer is supporting a sim-to-real project in the machine learning lab where the team is teaching the robot to fold clothes on its own. The system was first trained on around 400,000 examples generated in simulation, and that training now allows the real X-Trainer to fold clothing autonomously. It's a clear example of how skills learned in a virtual environment can transfer directly onto real hardware. They're not just learning robotics conceptually, they're building, testing and refining real systems. They can see how their code affects motion, how sensors influence behaviour and how AI models translate into physical action. That kind of embodied understanding is increasingly important as robotics and AI continue to merge. At the International Conference on Robotics and Automation, Dobot was showcasing the X-Trainer learning through teleoperation. An operator guides the arm so it can pick up cups in different scenarios and carry out simple everyday tasks, such as pouring water or serving popcorn. This is a good example of how the platform collects real demonstration data and then turns it into practical real-world skills. As AI becomes increasingly embodied and robots become more capable, these systems will play a crucial role in shaping how students learn, how researchers experiment, and how new ideas move from the lab into the world. For more information on the X-Trainer and other robotics products, please contact our dedicated AI and robotics team today.